Yeah. Rock wine. Yeah. 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 Gold bell ring. Yeah. This is my baby sleeping. Why are you sleeping and laughing? I'm out. Buckler. Come out, I'm burn up the lamb chops in my microwave, dog. China. I'm out.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing's set. We're blessed. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. But just a few trending topics I see popping in down so that we need to discuss. Not in any particular order, so it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. Obviously, we want to kick it off with Dancehall King Vybz Kartel because you know he's still a one-burner man. As you can see, him and Lisa Hyper has been reunited. You see what I'm saying? And you know the people that might talk up the things about the throat gap. You see what I'm saying? Put in the comment section what you think about that. No, as you seen in the beginning, it looked like Sidem was left at home while Vybz Kartel and Lisa, you know, went out and had a jolly good time. You see what I'm saying? Because you don't know the history between these two. You know what I mean? And this is why the people that is warning to them, she should know the history too. You know what I mean? Because we know how Lisa Hyper did Shorty. You see what I'm saying? The monk Shorty and wash the kids them clothes and make lunch and all of them things. And Shorty never know, say, Lisa did I give up the good things them to the boss. You see what I'm saying? But it doesn't look like Sidem is giving them a blah. You see what I'm saying? As you can see, she was fake sleeping. You see what I'm saying? And even see she comment on the IG poster, you know what I mean? But nevertheless, them must say Sidem for keep a close eye on Lisa Hyper, you see me? So the people them saying Kartel is slowly putting the Gaza Empire back together. You see what I'm saying? So they're waiting to see Vanessa Bling next. You see me? But unfortunately for Shorty people, it look like Vybz Kartel is keeping his promise of not, you know, seeing her when him released it from jail. You see what I said? Let's take a look. Now, before he was released from prison, he had something in his Instagram bio that I, you know, screenshot because I felt it's very important. He said, I will be everywhere you look, but nowhere to be found, and that will be my revenge. You see, man, I said, God is the greatest. No, you know, he's, I don't know if he's quoting spiritual scripture stuff. You see, man, I said, but it sure sounds like he's talking to somebody, you know what I mean? Somebody that didn't want him to be free. You see, man, I said, and it seems like a Shorty. Nevertheless, let's proceed to the next.
So nobody telling me about a lawsuit. Me no business with that. I am a lawyer. We know them things they go. So just bring on what you want, bring on. We have to talk up the things that we in that report.
Yes, my people, as you can see, mix-up business doesn't just involve dancehall artists. Every aspect of Jamaica is mix-up. And we see the mix-up are going with Mark Golding and Andrew Holness, who, you know, want to put lawsuit on the people them who has accepted. So let me hear what Mark Golding is saying and let me give him my honest opinion about the situation.
So comrades, Sunday have a great day. And then Tuesday, we go to Parliament, and at long last, this report was finally tabled. And comrades, I spent Tuesday night reading that report. I read every word in that report. All 171 pages of it, and the appendices, and the other documents that were tabled with it. I know what is in that report. I don't think Andrew Holness knows what's in that report. Let's tell the truth. I don't think him knows. I have a duty as the president of the People's National Party and leader of the opposition in this country, which is a constitutional position, to hold the government to account. And when I see things are happening or I read from credible sources, things that... And what I can tell you, comrades, is two things. First of all, Andrew Holness has known for over a year that he was one of the illicit six under investigation for the corruption offense of illicit enrichment, and he did not come clean with the people. He pretended he wasn't one of them. And it's only when the report itself was tabled that it came out. And I say he has deceived the people. And the people of Jamaica cannot have trust and confidence in a Prime Minister who will hold such important information about his own situation with the Integrity Commission of the country for over a year. He must go. Andrew must go. The other thing I will tell you is that report is full of a number of very problematic things that have been a feature of his personal affairs. And I don't intend to go through it tonight. But we are going to be having a town hall on Sunday night. And we will be going through some of those things. Because we're going to make sure that the people of Jamaica understand what is in that report and why it requires further investigation, which is what has been recommended by the Integrity Commission, and why Andrew is not worthy of staying in the position of Prime Minister, because how he has conducted his affairs is not right. And it has not been in accordance with it.
Okay, people, here's my take on the situation. As you know, I'm neither GOP, PNP, Democratic, or Republic. You see what I say? And with that being said, none of these people is saying the right things. You see what I say? They're all looking at a chance to enrich themselves. You know, this is a game that the colonists and pirates' offsprings play to control them. You see what I say? Them is always on the same side. And to be honest, people, Jamaica economy will never grow. You see what I say? The money will never get stronger because they're not manufacturing nothing. You feel me? And that's the issue with JPS that Andrew Holmes and Mark Golden is not discussing, because these people know what's happening in America. They know the laws very well. And they know it's illegal for any company to have a monopoly in business, meaning they need competitors, competition to give consumers, you, the majority of the people, options to get the better rates. And this is why nobody wants to do business in Jamaica like Clark's. That's why they never open up a factory. It's too expensive. The energy cost is too expensive. And they want to charge them more money. And they know they not make none already. That's why it's always cheaper to import. So until them tackle those reasons, I am not listening to all of these lies from these guys. This is my answer. Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, the next trending topic is coming out of track and field. As you know, Bromfield, they're saying, you know, man, no, we don't want to marry her. That's why she is going to seek an asylum to stay in America and run for the USA team against Jamaica. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because fans them is feeling tight that, you know, their ignorance was used for this. You see what I say? Yeah, and you know, Spice get brought into the mix. So let's look at this upcoming interview that she did that's triggering people.
For my mother and my family. If this was 2021 when I lost my mom, I would be in a corner somewhere crying. I had to turn off my inbox because I was getting death threats from people. I'm on a different journey in life right now. Sometimes things are not going good. There's great on the other side.
Yeah, putting in the comment section where you think about that. Very emotional, because, you know what I'm saying, condolences and things, but people, let's not be naive, you feel me? Y'all got played, you feel me? And now she's going to be able to stay in America. You see what I said? Because all of the things is variable. You know, they can see the comment section, X, Y, and Z. It's unfortunate that she had to took this road, but, you know what I mean? Everybody have their own agenda, you see me? And you already know what going on with the sports people, them in Jamaica, you know, them's not like really them a get look out for. You know what I mean? So, one have to do what one have to do. Anyway, I'm not going longer, this not longer, you know, I'm just giving some quick update, you know, you know what I mean? You don't know the thing set, we'll be back with more. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified, you know, when we drop our next video. Bless.